how to create an effective vision board to manifest your dreams and goals. But ladies, before we dive in, I want to share with you the power of visualization and why it is important. Watch to the end, my ladies, to see how I prepare the vision board. I attract wealth, luxuries, and abundance into my life. Hi ladies, welcome back to the channel. My name is Nancy. My ladies, visualizing your goal is like giving your brain a blueprint to follow. And ladies, while you're creating a vision board, you are not just gluing pictures or just writing words. You can use photos to identify what you want. You could also write it because sometimes you might not have access to these photos. You could also use pen or write it, draw whatever you need. When you create a vision board, my ladies, you are not just gluing pictures on a board, but you are creating a visual representation of your dreams, making them feel more real and attainable. Now ladies, let's talk about a couple of examples. And this is not just for ladies. Men can also do vision board. If, for example, you are someone who dreams of traveling the world, you have to get pictures of your dream destination or exotic pictures of destinations, your passports. You could get tickets. You could Google all this, my ladies, and then you insert them on your vision board. Ladies, the reason for creating a vision board, it's like a reminder for you to not miss track, to keep in track of your goal. Because ladies, every time you look at your vision board, reminds you of your goal, either exploring new countries, either you wanting to get married, or you wanting to build a home, or you experiencing new cultures and experiences. Now ladies, if you want to create a vision board, you could go to the bookshop and you get something like this. Or if you don't have this, you could get a cardboard paper. Cardboard papers are those hard sheets artists use in drawing, and you can stick it on the wall. In my case, I had a cardboard paper. Ladies, you could use your closet door as your vision board. You just stick what and what you need to achieve your goals there, because your closet is where you go to every day to dress up before you step out of your home. So this is a picture of a house. If in your vision board, if for example you're working or you just left for abroad, like for example, my first prayer points, my first goal when I was leaving the country, I told my universe that I'm going to build a home back home. So this, for example, if in case you have this in your head that this is what you want to achieve, you could use sellotape, you could use a pin, whatever you could use to stick it on the wall. So this is, for example, if your first goal is to build a home back home, you stick it here. So this would serve as a reminder that whenever you want to spend carelessly, you remind yourself, okay, my goal is to build a home first. If, for example, you also have a dream to have a car, you stick it on the vision board. You must not have the same goal like I am putting up here. Your goal might be different from what Nancy wants, if you understand my point. If your goal is to travel around the world, like I mentioned previously, you could stick a flight ticket, you could stick copy of passports, you could stick an aeroplane, jet, an helicopter, to remind you of holiday. If you don't have pictures, ladies, it's not a problem. You could get a sticky note and write them and stick it. But I always prefer to use photos so that you could be in that mood of traveling. If your dream is to buy yourself gifts like luxurious bags, shoes, gifts from men, or you gift yourself, you could use gifts and stick on the board or in your note or at your closet to remind you of your goal in wanting gifts. And if your goal is for someone that wants to improve in health and fitness, you could include image of healthy meal, workout routine. This board will serve as a daily reminder to make you stay healthy and fulfilled in your fitness journey. So I'm sticking this one for the gift regalo. If you are someone that wants kids, you could insert this in your vision board. Now, ladies, before I continue, I want to share with you something exciting. Ladies, if you are someone struggling with stepping out alone, whether it's going to events, socializing, or trying new things, my book, How to Go Out Alone, The Ultimate Guide, is here to help you. It is packed with practical tips and strategies to help you conquer your fears, my ladies, and you live your life on your own terms. And you could find it on Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box as well as the pinned comment. Additionally, my ladies, I have also written a book, Positive Affirmation for Black Women. Forget about the black written there, but there's nothing about colorization here. Also, with any color of ladies can purchase this book because it is designed to empower and uplift you in your journey. It is filled with affirmation to boost your confidence, resilience, and love, my ladies. Now let's go back to creating our vision board. I would love to insert more photos, ladies, but these are what I could get at the moment. I just saw this comment yesterday and I said, it's a good topic. I would love to share with you how I create my vision board. So if you are someone that wants kids, you could insert it on the vision board. And no jokes, ladies, this isn't about selling my books. This works magic because I got even more Chanel wristwatches, fine bracelets, premium luxurious bags, shoes, jewelries, and the most important thing, happiness, fulfillment, my ladies. This is not to brag or to say I'm better than anyone. You could do even more than this. There's nothing wrong in setting your standard high. There's nothing too much. It depends on what you want. And if in case you have achieved this, you could still put some more. As we grow as human beings, our needs changes. And that's why I was excited to get this comment on my video, because it reminds me of something I did not put in my vision board. Like, for example, if you are very close to me, you know I love baby girls, but I have 2 baby boys, which I'm grateful and thankful to the universe. But if I had requested to the universe, I want a baby girl, I'm sure it would have given me a girl. But anyways, I'm still grateful to the universe for answering my prayers, because these things I put here in this vision board, the universe grants me all. And if in case you made a mistake, you could also correct it. You can remove some you don't need and fix in other ones at any point of your life. It's all about your mindset. Change your mindset. It is what you want, you will attract. Now, ladies, if you enjoyed this video, I'm certain you would love to learn how I attract, engaged, and got married in less than 4 months. Turn on the notification bell and I will see you on that video. Good luck, my ladies.